Good morning, folks. Kind of a quick little video. I'm getting ready to shape another knife for a friend of mine's son, and trying something a little different section of the deer antler. Let me get backed off here so you can kind of see. We're gonna get it shaped up, and hopefully I can take it to him today. All right, I'm gonna get busy. You guys have seen sanding before, so I'll spare you the agony and just kind of bring you back and let you look as I get it going. All right, see you soon. Stay tuned. Goodbye. Okay, here's an update for you. Went from blocky and ugly to we're starting to get it shaped to fit in with that antler. And then I still have to figure out something about this back I'm not real crazy about, but it'll come. All right, stay tuned. All right, I think I got this just about where I want it. Now I got to get the other sander out, kind of smooth things over a little bit better, and then hit it with the linseed oil. This one will be ready to go. All right, stay tuned. Okay, we're ready for linseed oil, and this knife will be finished, and I will take it to its new owner tomorrow. All right, I'll get it oiled, and I'll bring you back. Let's take one final look, and then we'll bring this video to a close. Stay tuned. All right, we got the linseed oil on there. I'm fixing to wipe off the excess and kind of let it set. Not too bad. Just experimenting with the different parts of the antler. And then one of the options, like I said, I gave him is to, if he gets a deer this year, drilling this out, take the spent cartridge that he got his deer with, cutting the end of it off and embedding it into the end of that antler. Might look cool. And if that's something that we end up doing, I'll do a little video on that and let you guys see it. So anyway, you guys have a wonderful weekend. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. It's free. Anyway, y'all have a good one.